The Supreme Court heard two cases today regarding what you can see on social media. The justices are weighing how the First Amendment applies to social media companies as they consider a pair of cases that could transform how the internet has operated for decades. ABC's Ike Ejiochi explains the arguments.
The hearing beginning with the justices considering Florida's law, which makes it illegal for tech companies to ban candidates on the ballot in the state from their social media sites. Florida Solicitor General Henry Whitaker, often likening social media companies to telecommunication companies, argues social media companies are unfairly censoring conservative viewpoints on their sites, and that the platform's portrayal as passive hosts undermines their arguments that their content moderation policies amount to protected speech.
We agree, we certainly agree that a newspaper, a book, and a bookstore is engaging in inherently expressive conduct. And our whole point is that these social media platforms are not like those. And
but doesn't it depend on exactly what they're doing?
Justice Sonia Sotomayor questioning if the law is overly broad, going on to name a wide range of companies that could be affected, like the digital marketplace Etsy, affecting someone's ability to shop online.
This is so broad. It's covering almost everything.
Justice Amy Coney Barrett echoing her colleagues.
We're talking about the classic social media platforms, but it looks to me like it could cover Uber. It looks to me like it could cover just Google search engines, Amazon Web Service, and all of those things would look very different.
Paul Clement arguing on behalf of NetChoice, a group challenging the Florida law, drawing a clear distinction between a government and a private party engaging in content moderation.
Is it anything more than a euphemism for censorship?
If the government's doing it, then content moderation might be a euphemism for censorship. If a private party is doing it, content moderation is a euphemism for editorial discretion.
A ruling that would force tech companies to have no editorial discretion could affect their business model, which relies on curation to attract advertisers and users. A decision is expected in June. Ike Ejiochi, ABC News, Washington.